Welcome back to the channel. In today's analysis, I hope I saved your guys' behinds yesterday from long in this trend line. We did get this breakdown to 106K that we talked about. I'm going to show you in this video exactly what I'm looking for next. I don't think this is quite finished. We're going to lock in on the smaller time frames today and examine this. I think we have a wave 5 coming. Before we get into that, guys, make sure you are following me on X at chart_junkies. I post a lot of content, macro stuff. You're missing out on content. Make sure you're in Discord. It is free to join. Everyone, just smash the links pinned below. You know the drill by now. Let's get into this. If you've been watching, guys, you understand that we did call the 125K top, one of the very, very few analysts and influencers that stuck to our bias and called the 125K top. We called the bottom pivot right here. We called this range forming before we even approached this high. We said a range was going to form. We called this break up. We called this short down. We traded the crap out of this, guys. Let's see what we have next. If you aren't believers now, I'm going to make you believers in Elliott wave. It changed my life. And also, guys, as a side note, I only trade Bitcoin. I sprinkle in ETH, XRP, Solana, just, you know, high cap alts. But Bitcoin, in my experience, is the most predictable, especially with Elliott waves. I don't know why you would even want to trade anything else, especially when you can leverage trade this, guys. Stick to getting to know one asset, stick to getting to know one coin, and trade the crap out of it day in and day out. That is how we make money in this market, guys. If you want to learn trading, make sure you're in Discord. If you want to learn how I do things, at least, make sure you're in Discord. All right, so this is the exact pattern that we talked about yesterday. No changes to it, guys. I just broke it down in a little bit more detail here. We are getting a nice bounce after today. I closed out a healthy portion of my XRP short from yesterday. Decent amount of it already closed. Still holding on to some more of it, but that's in a healthy position. Already closed that Bitcoin scalp from yesterday. Full TP taken on that joint. We are cooking. We are cooking. The trades are hitting. It's clocking to us over here. We are streaking. And if you've been watching this channel for a long time, you understand when we streak, we don't stop, baby. We keep going. Let's get into this. I am your favorite influencer's favorite analyst. I am your favorite analyst's favorite analyst. Believe that. Let's go. I'm looking for this wave 4 to complete. Guys, this is just my primary count, my primary structure. There are other options. I just deliver you what I am playing and what my primary structure is. Overall, I'm looking at a correction up from my bottom pivot right here into a bigger correction down, which we are in the first leg of. Gonna have another leg, in my opinion, before we get real bullish and have potential to come up to 120K. Essentially just retracing this leg down in the form of a flat right here. Bulls will get back bullish again right here. It will be nothing more than a retest to this trend line and a breakdown. Bulls will get back bullish again here. It will be nothing more than a retest or a retrace of this down move before further downside. I've gone over the macro way too many times. I'm not going to do it in every video, guys. I'm locked in on the smaller time frames for you today. I need all of your attention. Come on, give it to me. Smash the like buttons, guys. If you've been on this channel, watching this channel, smash the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't lose me in the algorithm. I'm telling you. We have a correction up, correction down, an impulse up. Guys, this is a flat correction. A, B, C. There was a comment the other day. He was like, you only trade WXYs. Everything's a WXY. Bro, an Elliott wave, there's literally like 3 different corrections. There's an ABC. There's a WXY. There's a flat, which is also labeled ABC. And a triangle. 4 different corrections. It's like, yeah, a lot of them are going to be WXYs. Or a lot of them are going to be flats. I don't know what you want from me, man. Anyways, I'm looking for this to have a nice retrace into this candle imbalance that is outlined in red on the 4-hour time frame, and then spike to the lows one more time. Is there potential for this to be finished right here and we now go for this wave B and then come down? Yes, there is potential. I don't like it. Probabilities are saying we have a 1, 2. All this verticality is a wave 3. We are coming up for a wave 4 and then piping down for a wave 5 once we break through this trend line from our wave 3. Just chances are, probabilities are. All right. How this correction plays is to be determined. I would look to maybe long a little retrace here on a nice little scalp. I wouldn't hold it forever, guys. Not financial advice, but holding this ain't too shabby into this candle imbalance. Maybe take the 1-to-1 fib and ABC and then come back down. I don't expect this wave 4 to come deep because our wave 2 was deep. This should be shallow. Yes, guys, this is how you trade Elliott wave theory. I don't just label things 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC and say, oh, there it is. No, there's a method to this madness. And if you've been watching this channel, you understand how we could just slap these structures on, slap these drawings on, and they somehow come to fruition. It's uncanny. I don't get everything right, guys. I'm not saying that. I don't want to sound too, confident. I'm really, trust me, I get things wrong. We know that as well. But damn, it's beautiful when it works out. It really is. I'm going to go smaller time frames on this in 1 second for you guys. Let's look at the RSI here. We are oversold. I would love to see overall, once we finish this right here, to see some rounding here for our wave B and then get some 4-hour divergence, right? It looks pretty good. 4-hour divergent built. We're at the low of the range. We can spike up for our C leg in our overall flat and then start working our way down. You can't draw it up any better. Sometimes you're just gifted with vision. Sometimes you're just gifted with charts. Some call it a gift. I call it 9+ years of staring at these charts until my eyes bleed, guys. Day in and day out. You recognize some patterns after that. Let me tell you what. Let's go smaller time frames for you guys. There we go. We'll go on the hour. Let's go smaller. Where can we trade this? Where can we look to scalp this? This is a nice little move to the upside, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Let me go smaller than that. I hate doing these smaller time frames because things change so quickly. But as traders, it's good to show you guys a quick glimpse into how we trade this stuff. Again, if you want constantly updated smaller time frame stuff, you need to be in Discord, guys. I'm telling you. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This looks good for a little bit of a reversal. There's potential for this to be a flat and then maybe one more little low here. But shoot, I wouldn't mind trying to snag some longs here on a nice little corrective move. I'm looking for this zigzag structure to snag my longs, and guys, this could take even longer. This could come up and this could come down and this could turn into a flat down here. There's plenty of different ways that this show can go. But in my opinion, we got to let price action play out. It's good potential overall that this is some kind of wave 4 reversal on the smaller time frames, and we could be looking to play this corrective move like so. Again, this will take time to play out. This is the 30th, Friday, Saturday. Yeah, like this is 2 full days of price action, guys. So maybe we get this for the weekend right here. We get a little weekend pump and dump and recovery and essentially just go sideways. And then this will be the start of our overall B leg to the upside, right? I like it. I'm looking at a corrective wave here. Our wave 3 is probably in. It's too early to tell for sure. It's probably in. I'd be looking to hedge scalp long this up to maybe like 110, maybe a little less, maybe 109.7K. Looks good. And then look for an impulsive wave back down to crack the lows, baby. If you guys want to leverage trade this stuff, the best non-KYC leverage trading exchange by far is Blowfin. No VPN, no KYC, guys. They are the most legit. I don't trust a lot of these exchanges. I trust Blowfin. If you want access to every single bonus that I hook up for you guys, make sure you smash the link pinned below or use code ChartJunkies. You get a 10% deposit bonus right now, plus 9,400 in trading bonuses, plus VIP reduced trading fees for life. For life. Here it is right here, guys. Make sure If you're trading on Blowfin or you want to give them a try, you smash the link below. If you are already trading on Blowfin, guys, join Discord, shoot me a DM. I can switch you over to my Blowfin if you want access to my bonuses, because I get you the best bonuses. Just join Discord, shoot me a DM, make sure it's the real me. This is the real me right here. All these fancy little animations, and I'll hook you up. I'll get you switched right over. All right, guys. Love you. Trade safe. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.